Turn back the hands of time. I don't understand it, but I'm still fine. I'll drop off these burdens now. Stand back and watch the river flow. Can't say I think that I don't care. Don't like to admit it, but it ain't fair. Can't change the path I'm set to go. Just got to let that old river flow. River's gonna rise, it's gonna fall. Sweep past the trees, the strong and tall. Down to the sea like a runaway freight train. No power can stop the river's flow. The river's gonna go where it goes. I made my peace a long time ago. Just gotta let that old river flow. Send me back home to Ohio, where I can stand and watch it go. Just let that old river flow. Down this road a long time ago, made my way where the